Corporate giant General Electric is embroiled in a growing political firestorm, being forced to explain to an outraged American public how a multi-billion-dollar company winds up not paying a penny in any federal income tax. Lisa Sylvester's here with the details. A lot of people's their blood is boiling when they hear this story.
Yeah, you know, Wolf, this year, tax day, it's April 18th. It's right around the corner. Millions of Americans out there are now gathering up their receipts and their W-2 forms to file their taxes. But General Electric and its vast army of accountants has a federal tax bill that may be a little surprising.
The company that touts we bring good things to light has been very good about shielding its profits from U.S. tax collectors. GE had profits of $14.2 billion in 2010, $5 billion of that made in the United States. But the company's expected U.S. tax bill, a grand total of $0. That's right, $0 is what GE owes to the IRS. GE is also claiming a $3.2 billion tax benefit.
Everybody watching this program is paying taxes, including the secretary out at the front desk of my office. And she's paying more than General Electric. They paid nothing.
CEO Jeff Immelt defended his company before the Economic Club in Washington, arguing the company has done nothing wrong.
Like any American, we do like to keep our tax rate low. But we do it in a compliant way, and there are no exceptions.
Okay, how does a Fortune 500 company making billions end up not owing a penny in taxes? Chuck it up to creative accounting, where the company's profits are declared offshore, and the fact the company's financial arm, GE Capital, lost billions and is still reeling from the financial crisis. Is it legal? Yes, says Scott Hodge with the Tax Foundation.
They may be using everything within their means to minimize their tax burden, but there's an IRS auditor always looking over their shoulder to make sure that they do that correctly.
Other companies like Bank of America and even CNN's parent company, Time Warner, have used losses to offset their tax burden. But Immelt in particular has come under fire because he was tapped to be the White House job czar and is advising the White House on corporate tax reform.
Thank you.
The White House is defending the president's choice and says Immelt's voice is only one opinion.
He wants to hear diversity of opinion. In the end, the decisions that are made about which policy to pursue on corporate tax reform will be the president's decision.
Now, GE says it has paid significant federal income taxes for prior years, and GEO's CEO says the company expects its tax rate to go up for 2011 as GE Capital recovers. Well,
a lot of members of Congress, including some Republicans who don't want to increase taxes at all, they want to take another look at the laws right now to make sure that a company that makes $5 billion in profits doesn't pay 36% in federal income tax or 20% or 10%. They want to make sure they pay something to the federal government. And the thing is, some real conservatives say no new taxes, you can't raise taxes. Well, they could rewrite the laws to make sure that a company like GE or other companies don't get away with it.
And, you know, even GE will say that's part of the problem is it's the system, the tax system that we have right now. It is so complex, it is so complicated, and they say, yes, it has to be reformed.
They spend millions and millions of dollars to hire lawyers and lobbyists.
And accountants.
And accountants to get what they want, and then as a result, they pay zero in income tax. Thanks very much. We're going back to Libya in a moment.